So this is one of the techniques when you're identifying the tension and you are dealing with this, and you go back to and repeat it or move on to the next spot. So this is the idea, how to explore the area you're working on. Number one, as a tool, additional tool, you could use a silicone cup. In this case, let's just a little oil and silicone cup. When you are additionally along the scapular border, across the scapular border, and the same upper and lateral side. So you're using basically silicone cup, different sizes, and it's a very cool tool to have near, and just controls the degree of suction and work with as an additional tool of addressing the adhesions, releasing the tension, and that accelerates the effectiveness of your work on the tissue before you proceed. In this case, we will use the hot rock as the next step, or combination, alternating hand, silicone cup, and the rock. So you use the hot rock, and the same idea, you are using it as we used vibration and release into the point of tension. Here you could iron it down comfortably with the edge of the rock, and the same, and hold and stretch type of pattern applied to the edge, in this case of the scapula, and or the fold of tension anywhere else you find it. So again, very comfortable application, flipping the rock, making sure the temperature stays even, and you could either apply and hold it while the other hand working on the surrounding area, or the opposite. One hand is controlling the area and you use the rock as the active tool. So basically the combination of using it as a hold, press, compression, keeping the heat in a certain area, or the opposite. You are working with it while the other hand used as a tool, just open hand in this case. All right. So now, if or when you find that there is a lot more tension that it's still not letting go as far as the attachment of the muscles along the medial border of the scapula, in this case I'll use the opposite arm. So simply using the bolster, the towel in this case, or the pillow to put under the arm, and you continue the same idea with open hand, with your hands as a tool, gently identifying where is the most challenged area, which muscles, which attachment that you need to focus on, and with vibration, with exhalation of your client, in addition to your stretch to release it this way, with, in this case, gentle application of the knuckles, or let's pick another rock, or the rock. Again, it is not quantity, it is a quality. However, I just emphasize at this point to use different tools. In this case, the hand, the silicone cup, create vacuum and address those adhesions in soft tissue, and in this case, hot rock. The same, you could use more flat rock, which would allow you to get more under the scapula. Inhale, please, and exhale. And as your client exhaling, just comfortably follow the breathing pattern of the client. Inhale and exhale. Again, comfortable application. And one more time, inhale and exhale. So the passive stretching, compression with the friction up and down and across between the scapula and the spine. And this is one of the tools to be used as well. So after you've done one side, you complete it on the other side, and the difference is dramatic. Literally after a couple minutes of applying hand, silicone cup, hot rocks, both sides, you will feel dramatic difference. All right? Hope you use this every day, or have at least the tools handy to use them when necessary. Thank you for watching. Till next time.